Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome on board. Please make sure you subscribe to get more of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how I made this choker and my off-shoulder top from an old oversized polo neck. Let's go. This is what you're going to need: your piece of cloth you want to transform, a marker, a needle and the thread, and then you also need an elastic band and a pair of scissors. So let's get into it. First, you can put this on and measure the point where you want your top to be reaching. That is off a shoulder, but a bit higher than where it will be reaching because you're going to fold this a little bit. So measure that while you put on your top, or you can tentatively estimate that will be a little bit off your shoulder. Then you're going to draw a line, sort of a straight line, which is going to guide you on where to cut. And then using your pair of scissors, you're going to cut across like so. The top bit, that's the polo neck, the one you've just cut off, you can throw that. It's of no use in this project. Or again, this crafty, you can use it in other means. Yeah, stay creative. So the lower bit, I also measured where I wanted it to reach, just right above my belly button, and then cut a little bit lower than that, just to allow for the bit we are going to fold. Yeah, then you're going to turn your top inside out, and then the top bit you're going to fold just a little bit, just about 4 centimeters. Okay, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters, just a little bit. And then you're going to stitch that around. Make sure that your stitches are close together just to make it neat. And again, if you have a sewing machine, yeah, more power to you, girl, you can use that. It'll be more neat. Again, on the top part, you can just leave a little bit of more space while folding the fabric to put an elastic in there. But in this case, I folded a folding which wouldn't allow a fabric in between, but instead, to adjust for this blouse to be the same size as my shoulders, I went ahead and pulled the strings and just tied them to make it a little bit smaller. You get what I'm saying? No, I mean, just like the way I'm doing here. When you're satisfied, or when you fit and your fitting is okay on the top side, you're going to go on the bottom side. Take the elastic band, tie it across your waist, and cut the excess, just the much you need for your waist. You can also measure your waist and then measure the elastic band, but I think that's a long process. So fold the lower bit to allow for the elastic band, to make sure that the space between the folding can allow the elastic band to go through. Then, using a safety pin as a guide, put the elastic band in the folding like the way I'm doing here. You're just going to put the safety pin on one end, and then use it to pull the string, the elastic band, in the space between. And again, when you're stitching this, make sure you leave a space where the elastic band will come through. Then you can stitch that after you put the elastic band on. Then stitch the ends of the elastic band. Make sure you stitch so tightly, because you don't want this unraveling while you're running up and down with your errands. Then after that, you can complete the area you had left out. And that's it for the top. Turn it the correct way out, and then you have it. Now let's go to the choker bit. For the choker, you're going to use the remaining piece of cloth, the one which you cut on the bottom bit, and then you're going to measure the size of your neck and then cut a little bit longer than the size of your neck to allow the bit where you will stitch. Yeah, and again, this fabric is a bit stretchy, so it's good it can go through your head without having to unpin it. So I've just stitched and then turned it the correct way out, like so. And then I'm going also to stitch the ends, one end to another. Here's where you cannot afford to have the threads peeping out. Make sure the stitches are very precise and deliberate and hidden. Yeah, so I'm going to stitch across like so. As I've said, this fabric is stretchy. It can allow you to, it can pass over your head even if you have a big head like mine. Yeah, like so. And then there you have it. This is the simplest bit. I hope you're enjoying this, and if you're doing, please make sure you subscribe down below and like, and also share with your friends. Yeah, please support my channel. Also make sure you comment down below on what you think about my videos and where you need me to improve and what you need me to share. Yeah, so let's see the final look, and here it is. Whoa, I love the way it turned out. I didn't expect this. Yeah, it's so fitting and so nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for staying up to the end. Much more to come. Stay tuned. Until next time.